Welcome to a box break by TradeCardsNow.com, sponsored by Topps. Today we are doing a box of Topps Chrome Baseball 2010. Get right into this. We have 2 rookie autographs in every box. 24 packs per box, 4 cards per pack. Lincecum there, right on the front. Let us know what you think about the World Series. It's about to get started. Okay, we got to start out with Tejada. And the back. Saw a poll on ESPN. Basically, everybody but California thinks the Rangers are going to win. Here's an insert, Victor Martinez. It's numbered to 1961. If you're not a member yet, come check us out over at TradeCardsNow.com. Longoria. And always check out Topps.com. Product info, checklists, everything like that. We have a Jimenez refractor, not numbered. Brandon Phillips, Chipper Jones. I think I heard he's planning on coming back. Eric Young Jr., Carlos Lee. John Lackey. Chris Heisley, looks like a refractor, not numbered. Felix Hernandez, Teixeira, Pujols. Michael Young. So again, we should have 2 autos. Also a possibility of Team USA autos. Jason Donald rookie, Ryan Howard. Stared down that last pitch. Coy, Santana, Verlander, Oswalt. Oh, there's a Strasburg. And we also, let's show off the Strasburg. Nice card. And our first hit is a Scott Sizemore of the Tigers. That is a on-card auto. Glad to see a lot more on-card autos lately. It's Ryan Howard refractor. Brian Roberts insert. Nick Johnson of the Yankees. Always makes a good year of baseball when the Yankees lose. Ranu J. Bruce refractor. Let us know what you think about this Topps Chrome product. Just either post on the video or come to tradecardsnow.com. So you can come to our site, post your trade list. Oh, Ruben Tejada, New York Mets. There's our other auto. So those are not numbered. Manny. Bobby Abreu. Last two packs. Maybe we can get one of those Team USA autos. Wade Davis rookie. Torrey Hunter. Last pack. Delman Young. Got a Jake Peavy insert refractor numbered to 499. So there it is, Topps Chrome baseball. Got our two autos. Come check us out over at tradecardsnow.com. We'll probably be either giving those away or putting into the TCN Cash store. They might hit eBay to help pay for some of the free shipping, but we'll try to be giving those away. So check us out, tradecardsnow.com. As always, thank you Topps, and check out Topps.com.